Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to renew your DU SIM card using UAE Pass in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your DU UAE application on your phone. Over here you can log in here with the help of your mobile number and the OTP option. So when you log in your DU account, you just have to basically look for the option of profile in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So in the settings, you just have to look for the option of update your Emirates ID or verify your account or KYC update. So whichever option is available, you just have to simply choose that. If UAE Pass is available, you can continue with UAE Pass and you can just simply click on this button that says sign in with UAE Pass. So after selecting this, the app is going to redirect you to the UAE Pass authentication screen. Here you need to log in with the help of your UAE Pass account. You can use the PIN, fingerprints, face recognition depending on your setup. Afterwards, simply click on the option of approve the request and UAE will ask for the permission to share your identity details with DU. So when you tap on the option of approve, you will be returned to your DU application. After the approval, your identity verification will be completed automatically. Now, in most of the cases, the confirmation is instant, or you will receive an SMS shortly confirming that your SIM renewal is completed. Now, if you don't see the UAE Pass option, just make sure that both the applications are updated to the latest version. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.